Okay, so I'm going to open up a replica of a Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean. This is the 45.5 millimeter chronograph, and get the case back off here. All right, and so as you can see, the inside of the case back actually has all the Omega engravings on it. And I am not brave enough to take my genuine or authentic apart to verify that it has the same thing, but I can only imagine that they replicated the genuine. All right, then as you can see, you can look at the pendulum or the rotor, and you can see that it even says Omega 3303 printed right on it. And what happened with this watch is, I believe that my friend who gave it to me got it wet, and you can see some of the gears inside are actually stripped off. Okay, and then as you can see on the front, the two of the loom stickers have come apart and they're kind of floating around there. Oh, and there's the two pieces of loom. They must have fell out when I flipped it over the other way. Okay, got the movement out. And as I touch the buttons, you see that it just unwinds quickly. This is an old replica from probably, I would say 2006. So they have improved drastically, the newer ones. However, those may just be cosmetic improvements, not so much mechanical. I know that the other ones I have in my other videos are actually still working perfectly fine, and they're a couple years newer than this. Many people ask me what the inside looks like because everybody thinks that it's going to be some really cheap looking movement, but this looks pretty legit. I looked at some other pictures online of the inside of an authentic Omega, and it looks like they did a pretty good job matching it. Okay, so let's take a look at the case. As you can see, it's got a anti-reflective sapphire crystal in it. Bezel's in great condition. It put up with quite a bit of abuse. Plunger's got a little scratch on it, of course, for me. You can see that it actually has the seal all the way around where the case back goes on. So to prevent water from getting in when you have the crown screw down, which these watches are actually pretty good with the water resistance. I wouldn't take it to the 600 meters that the genuine is actually designed for, but anyway. So that's a look at the case. And it's time to put this thing back together.